Purchasing membership in different OTT platforms is more money consuming, and also to watch a single movie or a web series, it is useless to buy a whole membership. So, here is the free alternative for your miseries on membership. Hello guys, welcome to Root Mentor, a place where you can get better knowledge about tips, tricks and technology. This is Mohit and I am going to guide you throughout this session. In this video, we're going to introduce a new application which gonna save your money and risk that you apply on OTT platforms. So let's get started. Open your mobile browser and search for CineHub. Now click on the first link and go to the website and click on the download. If you hesitated to do this process, just click on the first link below in the description to download the application. After the download, click on the install. If your mobile prompts to allow unknown source install, click on it. Now a question arises, why this application is not present in the Play Store? To be frank, this application provides free movies that has been present in the OTT platforms. So this application was being taken out from the Play Store. Before opening the application, let me give you a features of this application. This application doesn't contain ads. The content in this application have a single language, that is the original language that has been uploaded to the OTT platforms, and you doesn't require any sign up for this application. In this application you can find web series, TV shows and many movies. The movies have their IMDb rating. If you want to watch a movie that's of high IMDb rating, you can simply click on the filter option and use IMDb rating. Okay, now let's open the application. The UI of this application is pretty good. Official look. You can see the 5 options below: home, movies, TV shows, search and more. Let's go to it one by one. The home. This contains all the recent posts of the application, movies and TV shows. As the name says, TV shows tab contains the web series and the TV shows. These two tabs, the movies and the TV shows, are arranged randomly. From the filter option above, you can arrange them according to the genre, category and the year. And the most interesting part is the search. You can search for your favorite movies or the web series that you want to watch, and you can even filter by them using the IMDb rating as shown in the above filter. Now let's check the more option. You can see the downloads from the option here. To get access to the My Box, history, support or ticket, you need to sign up. Let me give you an advice for the settings in the CineHub. To open up the settings, click on the option below and go to the quality and set them as low as possible so that your data is not highly consumed while you are checking for your favorite movie. So we talk about all the features and advantages of this application. Let me give you 3 disadvantages of this application. 1. The movies and the TV shows that are in this application have only single original language. 2. Some of the TV shows or the movies has only single quality, that is 720p quality. For example, as we all know, Heist is a Spanish show that won our hearts. So you can watch this series only in Spanish, but the application provides you subtitles of your desired language. And the quality that is present for this show is only 720p. Free. Downloading a file takes a long time. Okay, every app has its own advantages and disadvantages, but this application providing us with lots of movies for free. So please don't consider the disadvantages. I think with the next update, it may solve its disadvantages too. That's all for this video. Hope you will save your money and your risk. If this video and the application is worth of a sharing and liking, please do it and help us in growing our channel. This is Team Root Mentor and we will be back again.